Practical nail brushes. Comes with 15 pieces of handle grip nail brushes in 5 different colors. Each of the nail brush is designed with a non-slip handle, allow you to hold and grip comfortably, enough quantity for your daily using, replacing and sharing. Multifunctional brushes. Apart from clean your toes and nails, handle grip cleaning brushes are useful for various applications, such as cleaning the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room to help remove stains, even outside for cleaning off plant pots or patio furniture. Multiple usages for you to apply. Easy to hold. With a plastic long handle, you can hold and grip the brushes firmly and effortlessly. Each of the brush is designed with a hole at the top, allow you to hang it on your bathroom or other places conveniently. Clean nails easily. Proper size for placing at the sink and using when washing hands. To keep nails clean and neat, the brushes are gentle and soft enough not to hurt your skin, with strong bristles, to clean your nails thoroughly. Colorful style. Nail hand clean brushes are in different colors, which can help you to distinguish different brush and different purpose. Bright colors will not only improve your mood while cleaning but light up your life. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect nail brushes. Great brushes and super affordable. These seem pretty well made and work perfectly. As a nail tech, I need to keep a bunch on hand at all times. These don't feel super stiff or too rough on my clients as some other brushes can be. I love these.